Welcome to Practical Digital Strategies. I'm Guy Cook, and if you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, a blogger, you're in the right place. Let's get started. That's right. We're going to optimize keywords, find out what they are, using Google Search Console. Wouldn't it be nice to know what people are using as a search query to find your website, your content? Well, you can use Google Search Console to do that. The Google account that I've been nagging you about to get signed up with, that's going to work with Google Search Console too. So you go to search.google.com, log into the Google Search Console, and select your website, okay? And then on the left, click on Performance, and then on the thing below that, right-click on Search Results, and then under Queries, you're going to see a list of the queries that users have entered into Google Search. This Google document that I'm looking at, it's available to you if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, and that's the new home for Practical Digital Strategies. And there's tools in the links available too, where you can put in a keyword that you found and see how it ranks, if it's in the top 100 results in Google search or not. And so, on that note, I'm going to say, I'll see you the next time. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content, and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.